Hello, I'm Joseph Quijano, Certified Financial Planner.
And I'm Jordan Quijano. We want to welcome you back to our Fireside Chats here on YouTube. This is exclusive and really the only place that you can watch this wonderful, free financial information.
It's great education, isn't it, Jordan?
That is.
So today's topic is actually KISS. What does KISS has to do with financial planning?
It's the KISS of financial planning, rather. This is the acronym that most people have heard, and I don't know if you've heard it yourself, but it's keep it simple and sincere. And a lot of this deals with just educating people and talking about just the right steps of making it not too complex, but being the right type of sincereness so you're not coming off too quick or abrupt. Well, when it comes to financial planning, I think my father had a great analogy to bring to this, because really there's too much complexity when it comes to financial planning in today's world.
By keeping it simple and safe, and this is really what most people need in today's economy, they really don't need a huge financial plan. They don't need to know everything about financial planning. They know one thing. They know that they're losing money in the stock market, and they know that they want to keep their money safe. So people don't want to lose any money.
Right.
They want to keep their money, and they want to make money. And this is really what Become the Banker is all about. And this is really what my son and I actually do. We help people keep their money safe by keeping it simple and safe.
Yeah.
The acronym KISS, right?
That's right. And so for us, our approach might be a little bit different. Yes, we have the ability, and we do help many people that need that financial backing, that extra financial information to help give them a roadmap. That's something that absolutely, but just like my father mentioned, not everybody really wants that. Not everybody needs that, because in reality, they just want to know what's the right direction. Where should they put their money, and how do they keep it safe where they'll never lose money again? Get some growth, maybe some access. And that's, again, what we focus on. We only deal with two strategies. There's multiple products out there in the world that you could be a jack of all trades and sell all 15 of them if you really wanted to. But in reality, there's two for us that we feel are superior, that truly accomplish all the goals of keeping it simple, safe, but also giving you the ability to access that money if you need to for today's economy, or protecting you and give you an income or a paycheck for tomorrow's economy when you retire.
One of the things I like to do is I like to make this analogy real simple, okay? I eat fish. I only eat fish, okay? I'm a pescatarian,
That's
Jordan.
correct.
You know that. So when I go to a restaurant, I don't want to hear the waiter or the waitress come to me and read me an entire menu of what they have.
Right.
I don't need steak. I don't need chicken. I just
pork,
eat,
lamb, all of that.
I only eat fish. So my whole idea is to find out, tell me about your fish.
But I think before
the selection of your fish.
But before that, you probably already had your mind made up before you walk into the restaurant.
That's right.
I assume, right? You go in there
always
knowing what your decision is.
That is right.
This is what we find sometimes with financial planning. People come in with their decision already made up in their mind of what they're looking for.
So what is it that you would like to do in today's economy? Would you like to have an entire financial plan? Or would you just want to know exactly how to rescue your money from the danger of the stock market and put it into safety? So we want to be able to make sure that we maintain the pool of money. We don't want to lose it. We don't want to be able to just say the economy took it away, or the stock market went down, like it has been going down for the last, since the first of the year, actually.
That's right.
So people today are fed up with losing money.
They want
so
security.
they want to be able to safeguard their money.
That's correct.
They want to be able to save it and make money with their own money. So they come to us, right, for that purpose, to be able to help them maintain their money supply for the future. And that's what we do.
Just like you mentioned, that security. That's typically the number one crucial specific that people want, is security, to not lose their money. And that makes sense. That should be for anybody's plan, is asking, will I lose money? That's what you should ask any financial planner. The second one is asking, how will my money grow? really, how will it grow? And when I retire, how much am I going to have? That's important to know specifically what you can expect in retirement time. Now, for most plans out there or planners, it'll be hard for them to give you a specific like that. It really will. Because again, a lot of their accounts ride with the stock market, the volatility. They can't have the crystal ball to tell you what you're gonna really specifically have at that time. With Become the Banker, we're able to show you the guaranteed income you can count on no matter what. That's the bare minimum, that no matter what happens in the market, even if it crashed for the next 10 years forward, you can have this guaranteed paycheck that is much bigger than what you put in to pay you for the rest of your life. And if the market does well, guess what? That gets even bigger. So security, specifically how much money am I gonna have in retirement? And the third one would be
Actually having peace of mind.
absolutely
To be able to have that security in your own mind that you're going to be able to have all the money in the world to help you retire properly.
that peace of mind comes in with having money that's tax-free, knowing that it's not going to be eroded with taxes in the future. That peace of mind can also be having some liquidity access to it. If something happened to you, you need to access that money, you have that. And most of all, long-term care.
That's
the
right.
peace of mind of
Yeah.
knowing that the what if I need long-term care living assistance, the beautiful part is you have that peace of mind knowing these accounts will help pay for that and give you extra cash for those benefits.
That is right. So if you want to keep your money safe and you want to have a financial plan that is really simple to understand, this is really what Become the Banker is all about. So I want to be encouraging you right now to pick up
Yes.
the phone and give us a call at 303-779-6600, or just go to our website.
That's right.
And watch a short video that will explain our philosophy, our strategies to help you make money, save money, and give you that peace of mind.
That link is below, but it is mymoneymyway.com. That's mymoneymyway.com, which truly fits with today's topic. This is your money, your future. Don't let anybody else tell you how to use it, but let us show you how to save it. And that's what we do. So thank you so much for tuning in today's video. I'm Jordan Quijano.
And I'm Joseph Quijano. Please do me a favor.
Yes.
If subscribe to the channel, if you haven't subscribed to it, ring that notification bell so we can let you know when the next video will take place. And don't keep us a secret. Tell your friends
Absolutely.
and family about our channel so they can get the education that they need to thrive in today's economy. So I want to thank you for joining us in the Fireside Chats.
Thank you so much. Have a nice one now.